the map, the lines and some funky stations. In all of the tube stations, and in fact everywhere you look on the underground, there are giant system maps called journey planners. This is not only to help you find your way around the system, but also to plug the fact that they sell these things at the Underground's London Transport Museum in Covent Garden. It's quite handy to have a copy of the map with you though, as there are an awful lot of lines, and you're going to need to know where you're going to get around. But a little known secret is that you can get a free copy of the map from any ticket office. There are 11 underground lines, each with its own colour, which is helpful because if you can't remember the name of the line, all the signs also have the colour on them to help you remember which exit, escalator or lift you want. Hint for tourists: locals don't call the lines by their colours, so this means that you should. Otherwise, how would we know who the tourists were? There are also two other lines which think that they are underground lines but aren't. They're called the Docklands Light Railway and the North London Line. Docklands tickets don't work on the underground, and North London BR tickets aren't good on the tube, but travel cards are good on both Docklands and North London. Confused yet? Fortunately, you probably won't use these lines as they're out in the burbs and we don't want tourists near our homes anyway. Thank you very much. For trivia buffs, the lines are called Bakerloo, light brown, Central, red, Circle, yellow, District, green, East London, orange, Hammersmith and City, pink, Jubilee, silver, Metropolitan, dark brown, Northern, black, Piccadilly, dark blue, Victoria, light blue. Tourist note number 2. Whatever you do, don't call the Jubilee line the Grey Line. It's named after the Queen's Silver Jubilee anniversary, and Charles and Di lovers will hate you. Come to think of it, go ahead and call it the Grey Line. Trivia note: black is the perfect colour for the Northern Line, as it always breaks down and is the darkest and most dismal of the tube lines. They're trying to spruce it up, but we need more tourist money to do this, so please spend lots of cash when you come to visit.